Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have a Happy Mail, and it's a funny story. Yesterday, Deron went down and got the mail, and he came back and he said, "Oh, the only thing we got is a Happy Mail for you." I'm like, "A Happy Mail?" He said, "Yeah." So he brings me the box, and I'm looking at the address, and I'm like, I don't know this person. And I see that it's addressed to him. And I realized, and we both started laughing. So I am opening something up. You know, I always say that it's not just the Happy Mail. It's also the postage and the time a person puts in it. And seriously, I not only appreciate it from you all, I do appreciate it from Deron very much. Deron surprises me often with things he knows I would like to have. They show up. Okay, I won't open this because it would give it away. All right, thank you for your purchase. And this is weird. That's very strange. I guess it was cheaper to use this than to use, oh wow. Oh, wow. What did you do? Let's see what we have here. Okay, Barbie the movie Hot Wheels. Barbie the movie Hot Wheels. Why 4? Oh, this one's open. I can play with it. And Barbie the movie Hot Wheels.
Well, they're all in some kind of bubble extra pack, but they're still sealed inside the plastic.
Right.
And I got you extras. Well, first off, this guy was so much cheaper than everybody else, and the shipping was flat. I'm pretty sure. I noticed that he stopped listing. He told me about some others I might be interested in, and when I went back to look, his pricing went up quite a lot.
He found out what shipping is.
Yeah, the shipping on the outside is like $11, and
yeah.
I didn't pay much more than that for all 4 of these with shipping. So
wow.
I think he found out how expensive that was. But anyway, I thought you might like to share them with some.
Oh, you're so
folks.
kind. Thank you. Thank you so much. How fun is that? Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. So I got a package, and I always say it, open it on camera. It had a little hole in it. And let's rip this open. I'm going to have to recheck my order, but I think there's 4 of the pink. The rest of the order's not here. There should be gray and green.